Do not cook chicken before seeing this recipe. To start our recipe, I will start cutting half green bell pepper into strips and then into small pieces. Then half red bell pepper. Finally half yellow bell pepper. In a saucepan, I will add a little olive oil, then the cut bell peppers, and I will stir constantly until sautéed. In a container, I will add 500 grams of boiled potato, 50 milliliters of milk, and then I will mash everything with the help of a utensil until it turns into a puree. Now I will add the cooked bell peppers, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will stir everything very well until all the ingredients are well mixed. Tell me if you have any chicken recipes, I'd love to know. Now I will transfer our puree to a pan and then I will spread everything with the help of a spatula to be well distributed. Then I will make cuts in 3 chicken breasts, this way. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. In a container, I will add 170 grams of natural yogurt, 50 milliliters of oil, 3 tablespoons of mustard, and I will stir everything very well until everything is added. Then I will add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of fried garlic, a teaspoon of turmeric, and again, I will stir everything very well with a spoon until the seasonings are mixed in this way. Now I'm going to pass the chickens that I cut in the mixture, so that it catches well on all chicken. Done so, I will transfer the chicken to the pan with the puree. Is a simply amazing and delicious recipe, make in your home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm gonna bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After the time, I will add mozzarella to taste over our recipe, but this part is optional, you can add as much as you want. I'm gonna bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for another 15 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Marv's Tata from the Philippines. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video, bye.